How to delete notes in NotebookLM. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your notes in NotebookLM. To do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser of your choice on your device. Once you open the browser, here in the search bar type in notebook.google. Now press and enter to search for it. NotebookLM uses your Google account, so make sure you are logged into your Google account or NotebookLM account. Simply click on this Try NotebookLM button in this official website of NotebookLM. Now once you are logged into your NotebookLM account, you will land on this home page. Here you will be able to see your notes. Now to delete the note, you will need to simply click on the three dots icon at the top right of that note, and then from the menu here select the delete option. Now a pop-up will appear here. Here you will need to click on this delete option in order to confirm the deletion. After that you will see you have deleted your notes. Now follow the same steps in order to delete other notes. Simply click on the three dots at the right side and then click on the delete option from the pop-up. Now confirm it by clicking on this delete option. By doing so, you will be able to delete all your notes. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete notes on NotebookLM. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.